This is amazing. Come have a look at where we're staying. So we've booked a bit of a spontaneous weekend away. We are on our way to a town just outside of Melbourne called Heathcote. It's about a 2-hour drive, so kind of halfway there at the moment. And the place that we're staying at is a bit of like an eco-friendly type of place, and it's very similar to... It
looks so good as well. Yeah. It looks so much fun.
It kind of looks a bit similar to almost a tiny house, which is kind of all the rage at the moment, those tiny houses. It's probably a little bit bigger than that, and it's looks luxurious, like it looks really nice. It's got a bit of a fireplace, it's got a spa, so we're pretty keen to spend the weekend away outside of Melbourne, outside of the hustle and bustle, because we live in the city.
One thing that we got really lucky with as well is usually with these tiny houses out in the rural areas, you have to do a minimum of 2 nights. Whereas with this one, we got lucky. We've made it so it's just the 1 night, and that's so rare. Usually you have to go for the whole weekend.
And I think in the winter it's something that we really like doing. Clint loves a fireplace, if you don't know that about him. So this place of course has a fireplace. So
we got the marshmallows in the back, so they're ready to go.
It's like his #1 prerequisite of a place that we book. A bit of a wine region. It's got a lot of really good wineries, cellar doors. I think they have like an annual wine festival, which is pretty cool. So we're also keen to sort of check out the town and see what they've got to offer.
Dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I can't find my way out of the room.
Should we pull over here and see whether we can get the cow's attention?
No.
Why not? Yeah, let's pull over here. Hopefully there's no snakes out here.
Clint. Oh my god. Oh, he scared them away. Scared them away.
I think I've scared them too much. It would probably help if I had some food. Look at them just staring. Oh well. Oh well, that's alright. Bit of a detour.
Hi cows.
So we've just stopped off at McIvor Estate. We've got about, it's 2:45 now, our check-in's at 3 o'clock, so we've got about 20 minutes to kill, and our little tiny house is, it's only about 10 minutes drive from here, so we've decided to stop off at this little, cute little McIvor Estate. Got a wine, gonna order something on the menu. Steph's sitting there.
I'm happy I've got my wine.
She's got her red. So we've got a couple of minutes to kill, but it's absolutely beautiful out here. You can see over there. It's a beautiful estate.
Yeah.
Won't be long. I'm there before the setting sun. For you to fall into my arms. The place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Get it to open.
You can't get it to open?
No. My nails are so long though that I'm having difficulty,
do it.
so let's try if you can do it. Let's see if you've got the magic touch.
I don't think that's the number. It's definitely not the number.
Oh, hold on.
Pass it here. Oh my god, it's not even the right number. Oh, there we go. Looks like Clinton does have the magic touch.
Turns out it works when you put in the
Okay.
right code. Guys, come have a look at where we're staying for the weekend. It is absolutely beautiful. We've got the little bathroom, which is actually it's a pretty big bathroom for a tiny house. So beautifully designed. There's also this kind of fancy toilet. It's called Cinderella. It's like an incinerator toilet. Very fancy, but I guess it links back to the eco-friendly style of the place. We've got like a full kitchen. I have to admit, sometimes we stay at these places and it's not very well equipped, but it's got everything: plates, bowls, mugs, wine glasses. It's even got like a wine decanter if we want that. It's got a bit of I think it's got a fridge.
Got a little stove down the bottom.
Yeah, it's really well fit out.
Steph can have a toast.
Yeah, I do love my bread. And we've got the main area, which is, it's so gorgeous. Like the afternoon sun coming in. You've got the bed, you've got the fireplace. Clint's prerequisite to any place that we stay at is the fireplace.
This is
So-
where we'll be doing our marshmallows.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got really beautiful couches, little noughts and crosses.
Because we all know Clinton loves his board games.
No, he
No.
does not. I wish he did, but no, he does not.
I'm just not a board game type of guy.
No,
My
he's
attention span is just way too small.
And then, this is our view. It's stunning. Completely secluded. We can't see anyone else around. Got a little gas, like Weber, which is cool. We might use that. And then this is what my favourite part is. Can't see it yet because it's got the cover on there. But we've got a spa, which is, I'm so excited to use. So we'll have to take the cover off of that.
Let's open it up.
Okay, this could be. Oh, that's one half.
Is that warm? Oh, feel that, Steph. That's so warm.
Actually sure, but I'll have to take the cover off properly. But oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's gonna be perfect tonight, I feel, because it's like a real crisp autumn day. So yeah, it's stunning. I love it. There's a little chair.
We can have our dinner out here. Nice coffee in the morning.
I know a place
Love it.
where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me. To run away with.
I absolutely love doing this. Just leaving the city behind, leaving the concrete jungle and just heading out here into the wilderness, into these mini houses, living the simple lifestyle. You know, just that's all you need. A bed, a shower, that's it. Don't you think? A spa,
A glass
some
of
wine.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's nice to like disconnect a little bit
Yeah.
every now and then.
And I think it's good every now and then to try and get off your phone, don't you think? Like, you know, because back home, Steph and I were always on our phone. I think out of here, you know, we try and make a conscious decision just to get off our phones. But after this, it's so cold right now. It is absolutely freezing. My hand is almost frozen stiff.
Yeah.
But we're going to, make some dinner?
Yeah, we got some pasta, got some marshmallows.
Honestly, I can't wait to cook those marshmallows.
I think Clint's mentioned the marshmallows like 10 times already, so very keen.
I should have probably already started the fire.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
We'll see how that
warm,
goes.
warm up a bit.
My top half is definitely quite cold.
Absolutely.
But this is
freezing.
like perfect temperature. It's like 35, 36 degrees.
Yeah, I think it's set to 37, but I don't think we'll
Yeah.
actually get there though.
This is like the perfect temperature. And we just watched a beautiful sunset as well. So yeah, really happy, content at the moment.
Let's cook some dinner though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this fireplace going. You can hear Steph in the background. She's on dinner. I'm on fireplace. Later as well. How you going, Steph?
I might need some assistance.
Why? What's wrong?
I just don't know how to start the gas stove.
The gas stove. Right, hold up. I'll close this. Okay, let's go help Steph start the gas stove. Okay, let's see whether we can get this going.
Smells a bit like gas in here.
Yeah, it's not a...
My bad. Ah, there we go.
Clinton's magic touch. There we go.
Now you can make dinner as well.
And back to my fireplace. Oh, it's gone quite well actually. Oh. Fire's gone well. Ooh. Really tasty. Oh. Nice. Okay, so I just realised in order for me to have the marshmallows and put on the fire, I need a long stick. So I'm on the hunt for a long stick. Out in the back. Let's see whether we can find anything. I don't think I'm going to get much luck getting a long stick for the marshmallows out here. There's nothing here. Yeah, it was a no-go. I couldn't find anything out there. We'll just have to use the forks.
Oh my god, shut the door, it's free.
Let's give it a go. A bit more. I actually don't know how long I'm supposed to put it in for. That'll be enough, eh? Just when it's crispy.
Yeah. Till it's on fire.
Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, it's hot. Of course it is. It just came out of it. It's just on flames. Oh. That's so good. You want one?
Yeah. That's it. Thank you.
Happy with that?
Yeah, I am happy. I don't want to burn my mouth though. Hot.
It's the best when it's nice and warm, crispy on the outside, nice and gooey on the inside. Next morning, had a great sleep.
Yeah.
Great sleep, don't you reckon,
Really
Steph?
good, yeah. We're up pretty early this morning though. There's no windows where we're staying, so the sunrise was literally right in front of our bed, which was incredible to wake up to, but it did mean
Saw it coming over the hill.
Yeah, meant a very early start this morning. So
It
that's
got
all right.
so cold though.
Yeah.
Last night was so cold. I woke up this morning, I was like, I've got to get that fire started. The fire was completely out. Took me a while to get the fire started. we pretty much ran out of wood.
Yeah. That's right.
But I got it started a little bit, so it was alright. Warmed up the room a little bit, just enough to keep us warm.
Yeah.
But Steph's cooked us up some pancakes. She's the queen of pancakes. Nice tea.
Yeah.
And look at this view for breakfast. Okay, we're all packed up, ready to go. Done all our little jobs that they've given us before we leave, like a little clean up here and there. Hope you guys have enjoyed our little tiny house getaway from Melbourne. What do you reckon? Good?
It was good. It's a good night away.
It was. I would have enjoyed if we had at least 2 nights. I think next time let's book 2 nights. One night probably wasn't enough to really relax and unwind here.
Yeah.
But look,
it was really good though.
one night better than one. One night better.
Than
One night is better than none nights. There we go. All right, let's go. We're already late. See you guys later.
Wait up, will you wait up? Will you wait again? In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you. When I open my eyes, hope that you're by my side.